Wonderful Indonesia. In this video, I will explain two districts that is very beautiful. And for the first, there is beauty of Bali. Indonesia is an archipelagic country that has a lot of charms of beauty, be it stunning nature, amazing culture, and culinary delight. One of the natural and cultural beauties that is very well known is the island of the gods of Bali. It's a blue sea, green rice fields, cool air combined with cultural beauty that complements each other. If we talk about the island of the gods, Bali will never end with all the amazing natural and cultural charms. The word Bali Island of the Gods actually has its own meaning, namely the island which is the abode of the gods and goddesses in teaching of Hinduism. Bali is also known as the island of thousand temples because the majority of the population of Bali is Hindu. So, almost in every corner of Bali there are temples for praying. The natural beauty combined with the cultural beauty that becomes one makes the island of the gods Bali as a natural tourist spot as well as cultural tourism. The friendly people are also one of the attractions of the island of the gods Bali. So that the island of the gods Bali is a paradise for travelers from all of the world. And then every Balinese traditional dance also have its own meaning or philosophy. One of the famous dances is the Kecak dance. Kecak dance, there is a session where Rama asks for help from the gods. This proves that Rama believes that the power of God to help him, and the Kecak dance is also believed that the ritual to summon goddess who can ward off disease and protect citizens from evil force. But at this time, Bali's economy is sluggish due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, with this assessment, I hope to be able to remind you a little that there is natural beauty and Balinese culture that we must continue to preserve and live together with us in Bali tourism. Bali, the stretch of that looks in contrast to this fierce culture that blends with natural beauty, is Bali, with all the beauty of the land of the gods and goddesses. The island of the gods of Bali is a little picture of the beauty of heaven, where each site has its own specialties. Bali is the land of the gods and goddesses. Let's together again we promote the beauty of the island Bali to grow the economy of the Balinese people in this pandemic era. of Sumba. Not inferior to the beauty of Bali, now we turn to the beauty of the eastern part, namely Sumba, a hidden island whose beauty is very stunning. Not only its natural beauty, but also its culinary delight. Sumba is an island in the province of East Nusa Tenggara, whose natural beauty cannot be dubbed. From beautiful beaches and white sand, green rice fields, to the beauty of the Jain city, which is a very unique and of course friendly people. And then, Sumba is also like a hidden paradise in eastern Indonesia, natural scenery that is no less exotic than the island of the gods Bali. But of course, Sumba has its own characteristic with all the beauty of its culture. The pattern clothes is very beautiful. The people are friendly and the natural beauty is enchanting, like a heaven that is second to none. Sumba is a special place with all its natural beauty, which is very charming. So, let's introduce the beauty of Sumba together to the world stage. And then, one of the most beautiful places on Sumba is Nihi Watu. It's a beach that is very clean with white sand beaches and blue sea water contrasting with the blue sky. And Nihi Watu is one of the most visited beaches by domestic and foreign tourists because the waves are big enough to make Nihi Watu a favorite place to play surfing. And Nihi Watu Beach is also the most popular place to enjoy the beauty of sunset by riding a horse on the beach. Not inferior to the natural beauty of the taste of typical Sumbanese cuisine is also very pampering the tongue. One of its specialties is kariwang watar, a typical Sumba dish whose ingredients are fish and grated corn using special spices. This food is not only delicious but also nutritious. There is no doubt that it is delicious, especially when we eaten with the local community of Sumba. There is two beauty districts in Indonesia, Bali and Sumba. Thank you for watching this video.